Yeah, absolutely. So I'll tell you what, guys, we've got the big changes. We've been highlighting this over the last week that we saw this cooler air at some point was going to make its entry to the U.S. this week. And it's already starting to head our way, but it's going to come in really two waves. This isn't going to be a real sharp cool down this week. It's going to be kind of gradual, as I mentioned. So let's talk about Monday first. So tomorrow we're going to start right where we left off. During the daytime today, we'll have partly cloudy skies. There will be some sunshine. A warm, kind of hazy start will be in the 60s, quickly rising into the 70s. But the clouds will increase throughout tomorrow afternoon, and that will bring in some showers and storms. Some of those storms could be on the strong side. This is really tomorrow evening towards the rush hour on through the evening hours, moving from west to east. And setting the stage is this warm air we have in place. You know something's afoot because we've got temperatures at this hour still at 70 in Akron and downtown. A little bit cooler as you get out in the rural areas, as you'd expect. The wind continues out of the south. It's not really that gusty, but it continues to blow anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. But the key is it's out of the south. That is a warming wind. We're clear right now, but just off to our west, there is a soaking rain taking place across areas of Chicago, getting ready to push in Indiana. That's along the first cold front. But driving this weather pattern change is this powerful Alaskan storm that's heading up in the Gulf of Alaska. That's heading northward. What that's going to do is dislodge the jet stream and send some of that cold air that typically is up in northern Canada this time of year southward. And as I mentioned, it's two waves. So we've got the warm air now. Will become mild, like more 60s over the course of the week. And then we finally tap into that cool air later on this week. Your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. Let's time out the rain tomorrow. You can see tomorrow morning out the door, no problems. A mix of clouds and sun, a warm start. We ought to make a run into the upper 70s once again. But here comes the rain. There should be a line of showers and thunderstorms that moves perhaps into Erie and Huron County around the 4 o'clock hour, and then it goes from west to east throughout the viewing area tomorrow evening. Again, some of those could be on the strong side. Damaging winds are the primary threat. Once that moves through, we bring in that cooler air to start our Tuesday with some showers around. But the real cool air, as we look at the jet stream, there's that dislodging up in Canada. Look at that pool that comes down here. It really arrives Thursday into Friday. That's when it's really going to feel chilly around here, and it's got a little staying power to it. In fact, your Universal Windows Direct 10-day forecast, you can see how we dive into the 50s later on this week. But then we kind of stay there in the 50s and low 60s all the way through next week. So enjoy the warmth tomorrow. In terms of rainfall chances this week, I do think we're dry Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we turn kind of rainy around here Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We'll be back with more good news in sports coming up.